Hey, what's up my builders? Builder Gaming here, and welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to build a tree trap. That's right, a tree trap. So what you are going to do is that I've got the wrong sapling, so I'm going to use I'm just going to use a jungle sapling. So what you want to do, get a sapling, use bone meal or whatever. I'm going to use bone meal just because it makes it quicker. And dig down at least 3 blocks, sorry. So get rid of all these blocks. And yeah, and you're going to need silk touch for this. Well, just in case if you want to see the grass, most of you just want to stay there and watch the grass grow because it's going to take forever, dude. Like, really? So I'm going to go ahead and cut ahead in the video and I'll be right back. Okay, so you have now just done that. So what you want to do is just dig down 3 and go over by 3. Get your block of choice, put it in the middle, put a redstone, get a lever. Okay. Make sure that you put the lever down first and then flick it. Just so that the redstone is... Okay, this is... You gonna work for me, redstone, or are you just gonna be stupid? Okay, so you need to make sure that the redstone is on, and then get your 4 redstone torches. And to tell that it's working, you need to make sure that redstone torches are off. So dig, and just place TNT. I'm going to do this in survival, just to show you the instruction of this video. So there you go. So once that's done, you're pretty much done, but I can see what you're doing. So cover it up with some grass, and you're going to have to use silk touch, or if you don't want to use silk touch, just use your hands. Get your hands all dirty, I guess. So yeah, that is how you build it. So I'm going to be in survival, just to show you guys how much the destruction is actually going to be. And you can place more TNT if you want to, but that's fine. And I'm going to go ahead, switch to survival. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm now in survival. As you can see, my hearts are here. And my hunger is here. Let's go ahead and just chop down this tree. I'm just going to go ahead and cut down the first one, and then just your TNT, and then you'll try to run away with it. Yeah, you also can't skip it because it's impossible. It's impossible. Thank you so much for watching this little guide. No. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And hopefully the next one is going to be something really special. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Bye.